All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this plastic bag right here. We're gonna put some vinegar into it. Oh, there's more. Okay. Now I'm just gonna add some food color. Some food color.
Yeah, he's got some crush going on this girl. Or does he have?
All right, so he has a cup of vinegar right here. What I'm gonna do is prepare our baking soda. So I'm gonna take some paper towel.
That's just how he is.
I'm gonna make a little package of baking soda, a little gift. We got some baking water. And then
Mom's with them. Yeah.
all right. Okay, so I've got some yucky vinegar in this bag. Now I need you to get some baking soda in a paper towel, please, and thank you.
I'm sorry.
Now, my friends, we're going to talk about something called a reaction. Whoa. In science, a reaction is, who knows?
She's got a ponytail and a checkered shirt on. No, that's not their mom. That's the other girl sitting beside her.
Something changes because of something else. What's up? What do you want to do? Oh, fucking water. Huh? So true. Do you have music too? What do you think? Yeah. You can do it. That's okay. I'll give you my definition. A reaction is when two things mix together and something happens. Sometimes it makes an explosion. Sometimes it makes some gas. Sometimes it makes some foam. Sometimes it disappears. All sorts of things can happen in a reaction. Yeah, sometimes it changes color. So true. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to put... Do you have your package? So he has some baking soda all wrapped up in a paper towel. I have vinegar. On the count of 3, you're going to drop it into this bag. Ready? Let's count down from 3, my friends. 3, 2, 1. Oh goodness. Oh goodness.
Talk to her. It's rather cute.
What happened? What happened? I only put 2 things in there. Why did that happen? Who knows why that happened?
It's always like that though. It's like that with Boris.
It's a reaction. They reacted together. They produced some gas. The gas filled the bag so much that it couldn't stay closed and it popped. Isn't that so cool? Super awesome. Now, how about we try another experiment with some gas? Should we do it? Yes.
You want him in here again? Pretty by that.
Oh, that was a secret. Oh, that was a secret. Are you guys ready to see? This is our newest science experiment. It's super, super cool. All right. Oh. What are you doing? Are there buttons on? All right. Okay. We're gonna see what happens. Oh my goodness. Okay. You're a midget. And what are you doing? We're going together. I have an idea. So he's holding both ends of the stick, and it's lighting up. But when he holds just one side, nothing happens.
I don't have to make you.
Whoa. That's so cool. Can I try it?
Up your hands above you.
Oh. Ooh. It's making a buzzing noise. That's so cool. I have an idea. Hold my hand.
You want to come sit with Mama?
Okay. Ready? Let's try and hold it. Whoa. High five. High five. High five. High five. Oh my goodness.
He was looking for his blankie. He didn't like that he doesn't have a blankie.
Anyone want to try it with me?
All right, we'll do a couple of friends to try, but if you don't get to try right now, you can join us right after. We'll show you right after the science show is all done.
How long is the song?
Whoa. So cool.
Should I go get his blanket?
At the very end, yeah.
No, you can just live.
All right, we'll do a couple more tries and we'll bring it back up. That's super cool.
After science.
All right, so now we're gonna keep it back on our stage up here. If you guys want to try it out at the very end, you can come see us after the show, okay? Is that cool? Awesome. All right, are we ready to move to our next experiment? Yeah, we are. I'm gonna put this back here. So we're gonna keep going with our reactions. We're gonna use the same materials as the last time. I'm gonna take this bottle right here. Now what we're gonna do is close to what we did last time. I'm gonna take this vinegar. I'm gonna put some inside of this bottle. That sound cool? Huh? What is a bottle?
Huh? No.
It's a what? It's a unicorn? I'm joking.
She's cute.
Oh my goodness. Oh, it is. Alright. Maddox is a unicorn. I didn't know that. Okay, so I'm gonna be super careful. I'm gonna pour vinegar into this bottle.
What? With little girl? I know.
Now, if somebody thought this was Sprite, they'd get a really gross surprise if they tried to drink it. Ew. Okay, now just like before, we're gonna go back to our baking soda. Sorry, friends, make sure you sit down, come away from the bucket, okay? Alright, so I have my baking soda. Maddox is getting our balloon ready. We're gonna put some baking soda on the inside of the balloon. And I will put 4 spoonfuls. That's 3. And 4. Alright. So he has that balloon, and inside of there is baking soda, just like before. Oh, do we see the walking water? It's walking. Let's hold it up. Let's see. Awesome. I'll put it back down. I'm going to let it keep going. Maddox has the balloon with baking soda. I have a bottle of vinegar. Now hold on, my friends. What do we think is going to happen? What's our hypothesis? Do we think it's going to do the same thing as before and explode the balloon?
Can't push it right now. Here, Tyler.
What do you think? When you put the baking soda inside it,
I love
blow
how
up the gases. Like a balloon that blew itself up.
Oh, look how many people are here.
Okay, so my friend thinks, hold on, my friends, let's listen. Do we think that it's going to blow itself up like a balloon that got blown up in breath? Who thinks nothing's going to happen at all?
Don't want it like
Who
that?
thinks the dinosaur's going to come in through the window? I'm still holding out hope. I'm praying. All right, so we're going to give Maddox a countdown from 3. Are you guys ready? What does a countdown mean? And you go 3, 2, 1. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Okay, I have to secure the balloon myself. What's happening? Is it blowing up? It's getting bigger. All by itself.
You're over it?
What? Okay. All right, let's free our balloon. Oh, if it wants to come off. Let it go further? She's scared. Okay.
I'm gonna fall asleep.
All right, so I've got this balloon. We're gonna tie it off. It just got filled up with gas from the baking soda and the vinegar.
Mommy?
And look at this balloon. Does it look like a normal balloon? Oh! What's that? What did it say? It's a stream of light. Stream of light. All right, okay, so we have a balloon that blew itself up all by itself. Is that so cool? That's so awesome. All right, my friends, we're gonna put this one to the side. Let's see, how much more time do we have? We have lots of time. Do we think we should go to cool ones? Do you think so? Yeah. Yeah? You think so? I think we should go to this one. This is the really exciting one. Okay, who likes explosions? Okay, good. Yeah. All right, so I need to ask you guys some questions so we can figure out what's going on here. I'm going to be kind of sneaky, see if we can get to the answer through some riddles. Okay? Who knows what elephant? What? What did you say? Who knows what kind of animals brush their teeth? Did I just give it away? Oh. Elephants. Okay, so why did we say elephants when I asked that question? Is it because I gave it away? Why do you know? Elephant toothpaste. If elephants needed to brush their teeth, they would use a toothbrush and they would use toothpaste. And probably you could go to the store and buy some elephant toothbrush, a big old toothbrush. Maybe. Let's see. Maybe you couldn't. Awesome. I figured out the perfect measurements for this, and I'm excited. All right, so we have a cup of nice warm water. We're going to keep going with our experiments. Okay, so we know that elephants need to brush their teeth, and they need some toothpaste to do it. Who has heard of elephant toothpaste? Yeah, who has seen someone else make elephant toothpaste?
Hi, Ren. You're
Has
hiding behind
anyone
the
done it
toothpaste.
in real life? We have a couple friends. Has anyone seen it on YouTube? Yeah. Has anyone seen it on TikTok? Or on a Netflix show or something like that? Okay, so a lot of us friends have seen it online on TV. Let's see. All right, so we know that elephant toothpaste is an experiment that is an explosion. And some of us have seen it, but my friends, you have not. I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. Yeah, what's up? What do you think? Yeah? That's super cool. Yeah, so some friends have made elephant toothpaste. Now we're mixing in some yeast and warm water. And in this one we have hydrogen peroxide and dish soap. Now my friends, if you want to try this experiment at home, you have to have an adult or a grown-up or a parent or a grandparent or somebody to help you with it. Because some of these things are a little trickier to use. Now, if we have seen elephant toothpaste online before, have we seen them make it really big? Have you done it in like a bathtub or a swimming pool or something really big?
Oh, it's okay, don't worry.
A really big one, right? Yeah, so we don't have the same space that everybody has to make elephant toothpaste. We only have a little bit of space up here. And because I'm so nice, I don't want to make you guys clean up my mess. Is that okay?
I do.
Unless you want to clean up the mess. Can you do it? No? Okay, see, so we're going to make it on a little smaller scale, but we're going to show you exactly how it works. Are you guys excited? Yes? Oh my goodness. Now sometimes when people make elephant toothpaste, they make it like a volcano. They use it for a science
Let me
experiment
put it back
for
up
their school
now.
to make a volcano. Because when elephant toothpaste erupts, it looks kind of just like a volcano. Are you guys excited to make a volcano? Yeah. Do you have a question? It can be very hot. This is exactly like what we did before with our baking soda and our vinegar. When these materials react together, they're going to have a reaction. They're going to have some products. Now we have our cup of hot water and yeast. We have our hydrogen peroxide and our dish soap. Now are we ready? Should we give them a countdown from 5? Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. Let's see what happens. Now let's see. Watch it go. Okay. Do we see it? Do we see it? It's amazing. Now I have to be careful not to touch it, so my friends in the back, in a moment I can lift it up to show you. But do we see it going up? Ready? 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 Yeah! There it goes. Let's give it a cheer. Okay. Now I'm going to hold it up tall like this so everybody can see. That's why I can't grab it just by itself. Careful. Ooh. Okay, so what happened this time? When we mixed these materials, does anyone want to raise their hand and tell me what happened? What do you think? Hot. It did get very hot, and the materials mixed together, yeah? Yeah, a reaction happened and made some foam, and the foam rose all the way up, just like before with the gas in the bag. Because it couldn't stay in here, it had to go all the way up because it was being made, and it spilled out the top like a volcano. That's super, super awesome. All right, now we're